Hi, I'm Norm Thiessen, President of Paraclete Transport. I'm out here in the truck and trailer shop, the heart of all of our equipment operations for the company, and it could be for you too. We've been servicing our own equipment since the company started in 1993. Since then, we've been accredited by Manitoba Public Insurance as a Manitoba Vehicle Inspection Station. The service carried out on all the equipment is completed by our industry-leading Red Seal and apprentice mechanics. We believe the learning process is never done and invest in educating our techs to keep them at the forefront of the industry. Downtime is costly for any piece of equipment, and like they say, if the wheels aren't turning, you aren't earning. Our techs had this to say when it came to the role that they play in keeping your equipment and our equipment on the road.
I'd say it's special for the customers because we make sure we do the job right, and they always leave as a happy customer.
What makes Paraclete special for its customers? I would say we do. We keep your trucks and freight rolling.
Probably our customer service, our speed, and our experience with vast different makes and models is probably what makes our customers really appreciate us.
Without the skill set of our technicians, we would not be able to assure you of the highest quality workmanship. You, as a customer, are benefited by the years of experience our technicians have gained by repairing equipment in the field. If you want to experience the level of service we can provide, please call today and make an appointment for your truck or trailer.